Okay, okay, okay. So, hey guys, I am here at Superhero Tycoon, and this is my first episode of this game, so I'm excited to get started. And it looks like the only available tycoons for me are Spider-Man, Thor, and other stuff. I'm gonna get Thor. No, man, nope, you don't deserve. Aw, it's already someone's tycoon. Okay, so then it's Ant-Man or Spider-Man, and okay, yeah, it looks like I am not going to be getting any tycoons, but at least I'll get Superman's tycoon, which is like next best thing to the lame things. So I'm just gonna get a gun right here, and yeah. So I'm not really good at playing this game. Like I've not played it that much, but looks like I'm gonna have to do it because a lot of people play it, and you know, you gotta go where the subscribers go. So yeah, this game is pretty cool. My brother plays it. His YouTube name is Roblox Genius. Yeah, that guy's, yeah, I don't think he's alive anymore. And who's this guy? Cool, you look nice. A good person to test this new gun on. Yeah, wow, not a bad gun. Quite formidable indeed. Yep, he's done. This guy's done. Yep. Okay, so this game is basically who can build the highest tower, and you can do a lot with it. Like you get, I think, a badge at the end when you've completed every single thing you can in this game. So I'm just gonna take that, and buying droppers makes your money go faster. So see, look, I'm already at like 60. And killing people doesn't really do anything, but you do it because they try to kill you. So he's gone. Yep, you're gone, little dude. And you're gone too, little dude. And yeah, so it's a really thing in this game. Like, you don't have to do it to, like, I don't really see the point in this game, but people like it, so I play it to get subscribers. That's the way this, you know, YouTube thing goes. This is mine, man. Boom. Told you. I told you it was mine. So you can earn cash from these little box thingies. And I'm just gonna eat this guy. Yeah. Yep. Yep. And I'm just gonna go back and check out some cash. Ooh, another thing you can do is like raid houses, which is really cool. Oh, but this guy seems to know what he's doing. So, oh, she has the same gun as me. Fine, fine, girl. You wanna play like that? Oh, where is she? Oh, she doesn't wanna. Okay. Okay. So, guys, we're going in stealth mode into this person's house. This isn't good. She sees me. Okay, go, go, go. Oh, I'm sorry for that, guys. That's just a fire alarm. Don't worry, they're just testing, really, so it's nothing.
Attention. An emergency has been reported in this building.
Well, actually, it's real, guys. Sorry.
Utilizing the nearest fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
Okay, so, guys, this is real. I don't know. Sorry.